Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Notion AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Notion AI on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in notion.so and join enter. And after you land on the home page of Notion, you can see there is the Get Notion free button available for us over here on the middle of the screen, as well as at the top right corner of the screen. But guys, if you have already created your account on the Notion AI, simply click on the login button available over here, then go to the sign in page of the Notion. And with that being said, guys, to sign up for a Notion account, let's click on the Get Notion free. And over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your work email address or over here on the empty box, or you can just simply continue with your Google or Apple IDs. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respected accounts, you'll be signed up with your Google or Apple accounts for a Notion AI. And with that being said, guys, let's enter our email address over here, and after that, click on continue with email. And a sign up code will be sent to you by the Notion AI. Go to your email address to retrieve it. And after receiving it, guys, from your email address, simply click or copy paste this code available on the sign up code button over here. And after that, click on create new account, and your registration process will begin on the Notion. And over here, you'll be required to enter your name. You can also add a photo from over here if you wish to. Set your password, guys, make it strong. And after entering your name, your password, and your photo, you can do that a little later also if you don't want to add your photo, but these are very important ones. And after entering your name and your passwords, click on continue, and let's save it. You can see you can use it for your team, your school, your personal. I'm for using it for the personal, so I'm just clicking on the personal use. You can go with whichever you want. Click on continue, and on the next step, your Notion.ai, and on the next step your Notion account will be ready for you. So let's wait. And over here, guys, you can see this is the home page of the or the dashboard of the Notion AI. You can go through all of these to customize your tasks and see what the Notion has to offer to us. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a Notion AI account online on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a Notion AI account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.